You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video we're going to be talking about how to draw an involute technical drawing. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share on my video. Thank you very much. The first thing you do if we're trying to draw an involute with radius of 15 millimeter is we measure 15 millimeter on we measure it on our T square. So we measure 15 millimeter, that is 1.5 centimeter on our T square over here. So after we are done with the measurement, the next thing we do is to draw our circle. We draw our circle here. Let me just bring it somewhere here. Yeah. So now after we have drawn our circle, then the center where this is, that will be the center, we are going to divide it into 12 equal places. So the first thing that we do is to draw an horizontal line from the center of the circle. We do an horizontal line. The next thing we do is to draw a vertical line. Then after that, we take 60-degree on both sides. Then 30-degree on both sides. Okay, so that is that. I have successfully divided it into 12 places. Then I can number it with 1. We have this 2. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then this is 12. So the next thing that we want to do is to draw the circumference in one line, one vertical line over here. So we just use the formula for circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r, and we know that our radius is 15 millimeter. So we use that formula, and we are going to, yeah. So we just type 2 times pi times our radius 15 millimeter. And what are we going to get? We are going to get this as 94.2 millimeter. So therefore we draw our 94.2 millimeter line. First of all, we draw a line with no measurements, there, and then we take our ruler and mark the line at 94.2, which is 9.4. So I have 9.4 here. So 9.4. So now our 94.2, we have to divide it into 12 places so that we can be able to start. We need to divide it into 12 places. So we take back our calculator and do 94.2 divided by 12. 94.2 divided by 12, that is equals to 7.85, which is in centimeter 0.78. So that is close to 0.8. So we just use our ruler to mark it at 0.7, but it will be closer to 0.8. So we take our ruler from wherever, and we can also use our t-square to do some of the markings. Here we have 0.5, 0.5, 0.7, closer to 0.8, and this is it. Here we have 0.7, close to 0.82. Yeah, so we have successfully divided into 12. We count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now that we have successfully divided it, we can mark it as, we have this as 1, we have this as 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that is it for that. And then the next thing that we do is to draw a tangent line from every single line here on the circle. We draw its tangent, its corresponding tangent. So in order to draw its tangent, we make sure that our t square is in straight line with our board. Then we go for the one of 60 degree here. What we do is to take a 30 degree from this place, that is to make it a tangent. Take our 30 degree from here, and this looks realistic, but some cases you might be forced to think you want to do like this, but this is a very wrong, this is wrong to do it this way. This is not a tangent, but if you do it this way, it is a tangent of this 60 degree line. But now for this scenario here, this cannot be a tangent for it. This is what is going to be its tangent, that is from this one here. We are going to have this as its tangent. So we have this here, and then for this here we have this as its tangent. For this over here we have this as its tangent. For this we come back to our 30 degree, do that. Then for this is going to be a straight line, so we just use our t square directly. And then for this we're going to be having it this way. We're going to be having this. Then for the value of 8 we are taking 60. Then for the value of 9 we are going that way. For the value of 10 now, for the value of 11 yeah. So now that is for that. And the next thing that we do is we measure from 0 to 1 and mark it at tangent 1. Measure from 0 to 2, mark it at tangent 2. So you see what I'm going to do now. From 0 to 1 we put it on our this, we put it here, and then we mark it from here tangent 1. Yeah, we do the same from 0 to 2. This from 0 to 2, we come to our tangent of 2 and we mark it. We do the same from 0 to 3, we mark it at line 3. We do the same from 0 to 4, we mark it at line 4. Then we do from 0 to 5, yeah, we do from 0 to 6. So then you just connect all the points together. When you connect all the points, use your French curve, and then you are successfully drawn an involute. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.